Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound. Then let's tap on this ringtone at the top. And just so you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. Those are pre-installed. At the top, we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, this plus icon in the right upper corner will transfer you to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one. You can change the volume if you want to, and basically this is how it works. So just find the ringtone. If you like the name, just tap on it to check whether you also like the ringtone itself. So let's pretend I want those raindrops to be set as my ringtone. So make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.